In this video, I am going to show you how to play Subway Surfers multiplayer with friends. So first of all, you should know that playing Subway Surfers with friends in a true multiplayer mode isn't exactly like head-to-head racing in real time, but there are still a few multiplayer style features that you can use to compete with or connect with your friends on Subway Surfer. So first of all, you can compete with your friends on leaderboard. So to do this, you'll have to connect your Subway Surfer account to your Facebook or sign in with Google. Once you're done, you will be connected and you will be able to see your Facebook friends or Google Play friends on your leaderboard. You can play and try to beat their high scores during the weekly competitions. But you should keep this in mind that you can't see them play live, but instead the leaderboard updates their best runs. Another thing that you can try to get a hang of a multiplayer mode is to try the tag team mode. In this mode, the game lets you play with multiple characters, switching them during a run, but still, it is a solo mode, not true multiplayer. Lastly, what you can do to make Subway Surfers feel like a competitive or a multiplayer game is to use Discord or Zoom calls. You can start a voice or video call, share screen, and race to see who gets the best score. Additionally, you can use the TikTok Live feature to compete live with split screen dudes, seeing who lasts longer. So everyone, that's how you can use multiplayer mode on Subway Surfers. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.